When 20 goes into when 8 goes into 2 can cross 80 to give us 16 can cancel 80 to give us 5 over 16 cancel 144 to give us 4. Therefore, the probability of same color is 5 over 4. The probability of obtaining one black and one white color, we have 8 over 12, that is 8, 1 black from 12 times 1 of black, 4 over 12 times 1 plus 1, that is the over 1, that is their certainty is 1, which gives us 64 over 144, which gives us 8 over 18. 2 will cancel 8 to give us 4, and 2 will cancel 18 to give us 9. Then question 4. The probability of white, then black. We have 4 over 12 times 8 over 12, which gives us 32 over 144, to give us 2 over 9. 8 will cancel 16, will cancel 32 to give us 2, and 16 will cancel 144 to give us 9. B. We are asked to obtain the probability of if the two marbles are picked from the bag without replacement. Then you should find the probability that both are black without replacement. Now we now have for both black, we now have 8 over 12 plus, since we have removed one black from 8, it will now be 7 over 11. That is 8 over 12, the first take, plus another 7 over 11, the second take. The probability from picking the without replacements, if they are of the same color. So if they are of the same color, we have their probability to be 8 over 12 for the black times 7 over 11 for the black, plus 4 over 3 for the yellow, times 3 over 11. Therefore, we now have for the one black and one is white without replacement. We have that probability of one black and one white without replacement. We now have 8 over 12 times 4 over 11 times 2 over 1, which gives us 64 over 132, give us 16 over 33. The probability that white, then black without replacement, we now have 4 over 12 times 8 over 11, which will give us 32 over 132, which give us 8. We cancel to give us 8, 32, and 8 we cancel 132 to give us 33. Example A. In a box, there are 15 balls. Out of these, 5 are black, 4 are yellow, and the remaining are red. If 3 balls are picked from the balls, what is the probability of obtaining 1. All red balls, 2. Same color, 3. 2 red and 1 black, 4. Yellow, then 2 black, 5. Different colors. B. If 3 balls are picked without replacement, find the probability that there will be I. 3 yellow balls, II. Same colors, III. 2 red and a blue ball, IV. Yellow, then 2 red, then different colors. Solution. We are given that the total number of balls is 15 and the black balls are 5, yellow balls are 4, the red balls we are not given. Therefore, we minus the total from the black and the yellow to get our red ball, which is red, is equals to 15 minus 5 minus 4 is equals to 6. Therefore, the one you say you should get the probability when all is red. Probability of obtaining all red balls. Since the red ball we have obtained as 6, we now have 6 over 15 times 6 over 15 times 6 over 15, because we are picking 3 balls from the so what we now have is 16 over 3,375, which will now give us 72 over 1,125. This is something as 8 over 125. The probability of obtaining all that is red is 8 over 225. II. The probability of obtaining the same color. Since we are picking three numbers from the ball, we now have 6 over 15 times 6 over 15 times 6 over 15 plus 4 over 15 times 4 over 15 times 4 over 15 for the yellow balls, then plus 5 over 15 times 5 over 15 for 5 over 15 for the black balls. If you do a multiplication, our black balls will become 216 over 3,375 plus the yellow balls will be plus 464 over 3,375 plus our black ball will give us 125 over 3,375. If we do our LCM and do our addition mathematics, we have the numerator of 405 over 3,375. This will now give us 3 over 25. Since the possible outcomes for picking 2 red and 1 black will be RRB, RBR, that is red, red, black, red, black, red, black, red, red equals to 3. That is 3 picks. Then we have the probability to obtain 2 red and 1 black balls will now be 6 over 15 times 6 over 15 times 5 over 15 times 3 over 1, which gives us 540 over 3,375.